A Russian physiologist named Ivan Pavlov rang a bell and then gave a dog some food. After repeating this pairing multiple times, the dog eventually treated the bell as a signal for food. The dendrites, the input side of the neuron, receive signals from many other neurons. In most neurons, the dendrites are heavily branched. The cell body contains the neuron's nucleus and all the elements needed for normal metabolic activities of these cells. The axon, finally, is the output side of the neuron. An action potential is generated and travels along the axon to the terminal branches by means of a change in polarity across the membrane of the axon. A woman in Europe was near death from a rare kind of cancer. There was one drug that the doctors thought might save her, but the druggist was charging 10 times what the drug cost him to make. The sick woman's husband, Heinz, went to everyone he knew to borrow money, but he could only get together about $1,000. Heinz got desperate and broke into the man's store to steal the drug for his wife. Questioners developed difficult questions that they knew the answers to, and they presented these questions to the contestants. Both the questioners and the contestants were asked to rate their general knowledge compared to the average student. Questioners didn't rate their general knowledge any higher than the contestants, but the contestants rated the questioners' knowledge higher than their own. He sounded like he was having a seizure and began to gasp for help. If the participant believed that she had been just having a two-way discussion, she was likely to leave her own cubicle to help. But if the participant thought it was a group discussion, the less likely she was to come to the victim's assistance. One individual neuron influences thousands of others, and thousands of neurons can influence one. This is the brain in action.